County.
Mar Somo Julius Ogamba ni kaunti oda mager matek oyango ni kilese maibitigo dogi grade ochiko Hilda Buya miowaya
Kuno primary manyamira DEB klese Jatend Joma Somo Julius Ogamba tangata mabiro temo kwalo penj madhi nyime pacho ka KCSE gi Kipsea biro neno makolwer kendo jopuonje madongo mag junior secondary mondo bedie sinde to penj mag Kipsea rumo kaka yor mas grade ochiko.
We are all working hard ensuring that, for instance, that we are going to do this. And I'll state it again here today. You involve yourself in any practice in the course. Don't very well that given that you are found yourself in any malpractice, your cases will be sorted out within 3 months and you will go to jail. And after that, you will never work in this country in any sector. We will be creating a register to ensure that we put you in there akin to what is in the West and akin to what is in the compliance certification by the police. And if you do not get compliance from the ministry, then you will not work where.
Ogamba nigedo maklis maromal fatimia Rio Gatielo Mogik Mar NCDF Diggercless small secretary
classroom is done up to this, and it's even boards are already there, the white boards are already there. So there is the government is doing everything possible to ensure that these guys who are coming to grade 9 next year have a place to go to. And we have instructed that for the desks, there is a quotation of about 1,000 shillings. So the principal use that in the structure portion to ensure that the classrooms are properly furnished. So we are all set. We flagged off the book last week for grade 9 so that each student, because we have now the ratio of 1:1. So what we are doing is all the schools will receive the books, and we've instructed the principals to ensure that they are in school even when it remains the We have December 31st as the deadline to ensure that we have the classrooms already. We've done phase 1, which is the 3,500. We are now dealing with 7,500, and the last to do the balance of 500. The intention is that by end of December, we'll have all the classrooms in place. But even when we reach December and children are coming to school, and some schools may have not completed, the children will be out and they will be accommodated. Yeah? That's our work and parents of the country, because we have a choice. We have to get it right.
Hilda Buya, Ramogi TV.
Nengo mamalo mar